We are starting our journey from Bangalore. This is Vasco Express. It's around, I think, 2 o'clock now. We are about to leave in another half an hour. We have booked a train, Vasco Express. So yeah. So this is our ticket. We booked it from Yeshwantpur to Dudhsagar, Kollam station. Due to pandemic, there are not many people. The entire coach is like running empty. Very less people. So this is my friend Anand. Anand, how excited are you?
So much.
Yeah, he's very excited. Our bags, we're about to leave. Very excited. So we are leaving from Yeshwantpur railway station on the way to Dudhsagar. So we have reached Hubli station at 10:45. We'll be leaving to Dudhsagar in some time. So last time Dudhsagar ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಸತಿ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳು.
ಹಾಯ್.
ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆನಂದ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಫೋನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Can you imagine we are sitting and eating in the train like this? Corona effect. The entire train is empty and two of our friends have joined. Lucky lots. Alla lucky alla ನಾವು. ಆನಂದ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು. They're all camera shy. So the train stopped in Hubli for more than 1 hour. We are leaving from Hubli. Right now it's 11:45. We are heading towards Londa and then Castle Rock, Dudhsagar and lastly Kollam. So we are leaving Hubli station now. It's 11:45 p.m. By 2:45 we should reach Castle Rock and then Dudhsagar by 3:30. So let's see. All excited. So we have reached Castle Rock railway station. It's 2:45 now. We are heading towards Dudhsagar. So we got down quite before Dudhsagar Falls. So we're trekking on the railway track. It's around, what's the time now? It's around 4 o'clock. We must be reaching falls before 5. Let's see. So we are trekking on the railway track, about to reach Dudhsagar, just 200 meters away. The base view of Dudhsagar waterfalls. It's completely covered with fog. Looks so beautiful. So we are trekking back from Dudhsagar waterfalls through the tunnel. We are on our way to Kollam station. So see, if you go this way it's Kollam. If you go that way it's Castle Rock.
Bye friends. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ.
So just 1 kilometer away from the falls, not even one, a little ahead we find this waterfall, and then also get to see this view. Let me zoom it in and show. That's the Dudhsagar waterfall, viewpoint 1 of Dudhsagar waterfall.
Come on.
You can also get a jeep till there. You'll get chips, biscuit and all that, but this is organic jaggery which gives you instant energy, and we have desi kadak roti, homemade chutney pudi. We've got all this from home and we are eating it. Everything is got from home and we are eating it amidst the falls. See, is shy. I'm not taking your face, okay? Only your plate. And we are not even wasting any plate. We are having everything on the roti itself. How cool is that? So we are trekking on our way back to Kollam. It's a trek on the railway track. We still have 11 kilometers to go. So we are trekking. We have reached Sonalium on the way to Kollam, and that's Anand walking with his bag. So funny, he's trying to balance everything. So there are a few houses, I think they're all railway quarters. Yeah, probably. So this is Sonalium, very few houses. Just quite a task to walk on this railway track. We are 2 kilometers away from Kollam. So we finally reached Kollam. We are in Kollam. Officially trekked. How do you feel?
Adventurous.
How do you feel? His reaction says it all. It was damn adventurous. Hengittu Dudhsagar trek? See, your reaction ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. No need to tell.
ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಓವರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Yeah. We literally crossed 2 rivers. Not even kidding. So we successfully reached Kollam and we are waiting for Vasco. It's at 11:30. So we are still waiting here. This is the Kollam station.